Today, in this video, we will talk about blackheads and whiteheads. These are small dots which often appear on the forehead, nose, or chin. I will discuss this problem and tell you how you can get rid of blackheads and whiteheads naturally. I will also talk about the use of salicylic acid and retinoids. Now, as I often tell in my videos, to fix any issue, it is necessary to understand it. So I will give you a little understanding. First, we will talk about the basics. I will not go into too much technical detail, but this will not be a typical fix where different things are applied on the skin, strips are used, tape is put on the skin and pulled, and you try to fix it only from the outside, because by suppressing the symptoms or by such superficial treatments, they come back again. So you have to make sure that this problem is eliminated permanently from the root. Now, it is important to understand what blackheads and whiteheads actually are and what is the difference between them. In dermatology, a term is used for them called comedone. Comedones are of two types: closed comedones, which we call whiteheads, and open comedones, which we call blackheads. Blackheads are formed when dead skin cells and sebum, that is, the skin's oil, present in the skin pores react with oxygen in the air. This process is called oxidation. Because of oxidation, the color of this oil and dead skin cells changes to black. That is why they are called open comedones. They are called open because there is no layer present on top of these pores to cover them. On the other hand, in closed comedones, the same thing is covered by a layer of skin. In this case, air and oxygen cannot reach it, but due to the accumulation of dead skin cells and sebum, these skin pores get blocked. The main cause of this problem is the sebaceous glands which produce this oil. They become overactive and start producing more oil, which becomes the main reason for these pores getting blocked. But this oil, this sebum, is also necessary for the skin. It has many important functions. It keeps the skin moisturized. That is, it protects the skin from becoming dry. It protects the skin from bacteria that cause infection. It prevents the water present in the skin from evaporating, which is necessary for maintaining skin hydration. It also helps in regulating skin temperature so that the body temperature remains normal. So it has many important functions. But when dead skin cells, this oil, and bacteria mix together and block these pores, then this mixture is called pus. A big mistake people make is that they think maybe by washing the skin again and again, by overwashing, the skin will become clean. Often people use synthetic scrubbers, facial creams, or pore strips, thinking that this problem will be solved. But this method can be harmful because due to overwashing, the skin's natural oil also starts getting removed. Then, by using these artificial cleansers, the friendly bacteria present on the skin are also removed. Or, due to overwashing, the skin becomes so sterilized that these friendly bacteria die. When their number decreases, harmful bacteria, infection-causing bacteria, start increasing. So now the risk of infection in these skin pores increases because the body's natural defense system is not present. Now, where's this problem starting from? The real issue is the excess of androgen hormones, which makes the sebaceous glands overactive. That is why the problem of blackheads is common in teenagers. The hormone involved in this is testosterone. Testosterone is present in both boys and girls. It has two types: weaker testosterone and stronger testosterone, which is called DHT. Because of DHT, this problem occurs. When the level of DHT increases, it makes the sebaceous glands overactive. Now the question is, why does the level of DHT increase? The level of DHT increases due to excess insulin. Along with this, another hormone is also involved, which is called insulin-like growth factor hormone number 1, AGIF-1. Insulin and AGIF-1 together cause the spike in DHT. When the DHT level is high, it increases the pore size of the skin and also increases oil production. Now, when the pore size increases, this oil starts accumulating there and appears to us in the form of blackheads and whiteheads. If you control the insulin spike, then it is possible to control DHT. But for this, it is necessary to understand what things trigger insulin. Along with this, it is also necessary to know why the AGIF one hormone is increasing, because without fixing these things, we cannot solve this problem permanently. Short-term fixes do not work. You may have already tried them. 3 things that are the biggest cause of insulin spikes. Number 1, refined carbohydrates. These include most of those food items which are highly processed and from which natural fiber and nutrients are removed. This category includes many things, such as refined flour, naan, pizza, burgers, bread, pasta, maida, sugar. These are all included in refined carbohydrates. Now, these things are part of our daily diet, but often people do not understand that refined carbohydrates are hidden in them, and refined carbs are a big cause of insulin spikes. Number 2, dairy products. Dairy products, meaning milk and things made from milk, are the second big cause of blackheads and skin problems. Milk naturally contains progesterone and some other growth hormones, which disturb our hormone levels in the body. Similarly, some androgen hormones are also present in milk, which increase DHT in the body. Number 3, a type of fat, omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 is a type of fat which, if consumed in excess, can further increase the problem of blackheads and whiteheads. And in our cooking oil, there is a large amount of omega-6. If you eat refined snacks or fried items, the oil used for frying contains omega-6, and this oil becomes even worse when it is used again and again. It gets oxidized. Oxidized oils are harmful for the skin and also dangerous for overall health. Omega-6 fatty acids increase inflammation in the body. Then there are some treatments through which you can target these whiteheads and blackheads. Salicylic acid is very commonly used. It helps to unblock the pores. It shrinks the sebaceous glands which are producing this oil, due to which oil production decreases. Then there are retinoids, or vitamin A. Retinoids basically speed up the process of new skin cell synthesis, that is, the formation of new skin, which replaces the old skin. This process is also called cell turnover, meaning old cells are shed quickly and new cells take their place. Vitamin A also helps in producing collagen, and when the skin's collagen is sufficient, the skin holds less oil, due to which you can control this problem of blackheads and whiteheads. Look, if you see the graph of diet over the last 20 to 30 years, one thing is very clear. During this period, the use of refined carbohydrates and sugar has increased a lot. All these things are making our diet unhealthy, so try to keep your diet clean. This is not only important for your skin, but also for overall health. I hope this video proves beneficial for you. Take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video.